In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Rainbow Six Siege unable to find Uplay. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to solve the common issue of Rainbow Six Siege unable to find Uplay. Usually this happens because when you are trying to launch Rainbow Six Siege, it cannot access the Uplay, or also known as Ubisoft Connect launcher, which is mandatory to play it properly with a Ubisoft account. So the easiest way to fix this issue is to reinstall Ubisoft Connect properly. So all that you would have to do is go over to the Ubisoft Rainbow Six Siege website, or just the plain Ubisoft website at ubisoft.com. Regardless of which website you visit, the Rainbow Six Siege one or the ubisoft.com one, you will find the option to download Ubisoft Connect at the top of the screen, as you can see over here. Immediately upon running the Ubisoft Connect installer, you will be able to choose a location and double check to see if the Ubisoft launcher is installed properly. Sometimes, even though you might think that you have it installed, you will probably have some corrupted files or the installation did not go through, and when you are trying to launch Rainbow Six Siege, it cannot access the launcher like I mentioned previously. In this video, I'm not going to run the installer because, as you can clearly notice, I already have Rainbow Six Siege working and I don't want to stop the recording to do this process, but all you have to do is run the exe file ubisoft connect installer.exe and follow the instructions on screen. Once the process is done, try launching Rainbow Six Siege from your preferred storefront once more. So for example, just go to Steam, click play and see if it works. Alternatively, if it still doesn't work, something else that you can try to do is go over to the Windows installed apps, and in here you will find the option to completely uninstall Ubisoft Connect or Uplay. So go over here, search for Ubisoft or Uplay, find the launcher, click these little three dots and then uninstall. Performing a clean installation of the launcher might help you fix any corrupted files, just like I mentioned previously. So this is optional, but you can try uninstalling it before running the actual launcher. Regardless of the option that you pick, the first one by just running the exe file without uninstalling first, or the second one by doing a full clean installation, you will be able to reacquire the files necessary for the Ubisoft Connect launcher and make sure that it is properly installed on your computer. Afterwards, just run Rainbow Six Siege as usual. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Rainbow Six Siege unable to find Uplay. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.